I have a practice here for you. So assume that the average duration of university studies is 4 years. Okay, so it means that we studied 4 years at the university. The user inputs how many years they have already completed. The program outputs the remaining number of years, months, weeks, and days. So it means if I'm at the university, for example, 3 years now, it means 1 year left. Okay? And if 1 year left, so it means that 1 year left, it means 12 months. 12 months multiply by some number, or we can use it years multiply by 52. Okay, because 1 year have 52 weeks, right? And 1 day has or 1 year has 365 days. Okay, so we can change 1 year to months, weeks, and days. Okay, I hope you understand what I mean. So you can do it by yourself, or you can code with me. Okay, so I will put there total years of study, and it will be 4, because it will be 4 all the time. After that, completed years. I will ask by input, but I know that input give us back string all the time, right? So I will use integer. You can use float if you want, if it makes sense for you, but I will use integer, and I will write here input and ask how many years of university have you completed already. Okay, and now I will write something like remaining years. Okay, so how I will calculate remaining years? So total years of study is 4, total years of study minus completed years. Okay, does it make sense? And I can check it and print it, remaining years. Okay, so I will run it. Okay, how many years of university have you completed? I put here, for example, 3, so it means 1 year left. If I put it 2, it means 2 years left. Okay, it works. So print was only for control. So now I can calculate remaining months. So I would put here remaining years. Okay, multiply by, and every year have 12 months, right? So remaining weeks, again remaining years, multiply by, and every year has 52 weeks, right? And remaining days, we will suppose that every year has 365 days, so we are not consider leap years. So I will put it here, remaining years multiplied by 365. Okay, and just now we need to print it. I would like to use f string, something like you have remaining years. So it will be, so remaining years will be for example number 2. So you have 2 years left until you finish your studies, for example. Okay, and now I would like to put here to this text the other variables as well, but the problem is the string will be very long. So for clarity, I would like to change it and write it like this. I put here enter and write again a new string. Okay, so like which is approximately, here we will be remaining months, something like this. Here remaining weeks, and I will write weeks here. Okay, maybe a space here is, yes, the space is very important, or remaining days. I will write days here. So if you want, it isn't necessary, it's completely up to you. It can be only one really long f string, but I've decided to divide the whole string to 3 separate f string. Okay, but it will looks like one whole string, one long string in terminal. So we can try. Okay, how many years of university have you completed? For example, 2. You have 2 years left until you finish your studies, which is approximately 24 months, 104 weeks, or 730 days. Okay, I think it works. It works fine. So I hope you were successful. I hope you understand why we code this practice like this.